To adopt novel ways to work, we need to look at our business activities from a fresh perspective. We cannot just do the same but faster, but new methods need new models. We often describe novel technologies disruptive, referring to their potential to destroy existing industries by offering much better solutions. But technology itself is not disruptive. If we produce faster and cheaper, we may beat the competition and rearrange the market, but we cannot destroy an industry. Disruption is not a workaround or an efficiency game. Disruption needs a novel approach to a problem. If technology has disruptive potential, we need to have a new perspective to exploit it. Not technology, but our thinking has to be disruptive. This is important because habits are hard to change. If we use disruptive technology in a traditional way, we may get faster, but that is not disruption. This is scaling at best. We invest and grow proportionally, a strategy easy to copy by competitors. Growth by gradual improvements makes sense. It may bring lasting results and can keep us at the forefront of our industry, but it is not a transformation. Acceleration of our processes without a profound revision and re-engineering may even have an adverse impact. Error-prone, inefficient processes often rely on the human component to correct its mistakes. When steps of a poorly designed process are misaligned, but you work with experienced personnel, your processes may look smooth but slow. They may tempt you to automate to speed them up. However, these processes look smooth because experienced personnel can correct mistakes on the go. Corrections slow down the process, but keep it rolling. When you automate, you eliminate the informal corrections. They may look like redundant iterations to you, but these iterations keep organizations running. If you eliminate them without changing the process, your operations will halt. You will need even more time and effort to keep the organization running. Our traditional models rely on the functional division of labor. We cut our processes into steps with rigid boundaries and focus on a separate maximization of efficiency in each step. The approach comes from the Industrial Revolution. For long, we had no better choice as we could not share information real time. Digital revolution allowed to shift the focus on overall efficiency. New models help us see how our part fits in the process. With shared information, we work with flexible boundaries. Instead of following instructions, we contribute. The fresh approach helps us perform more complex activities. For example, we can design and build more complex products. This is the essence of digital transformation. Look at project management as an example. Project managers no longer sit in an office commanding others around. Instead, they contribute by providing expertise in planning and problem solving. They remove obstacles from the team's path. Digital revolution allowed project managers to provide better visibility. We can now use resource pools and adjust project cycles to level loads and eliminate bottlenecks in advance. But technology only offers the opportunity. Instead of hardworking bureaucrats, we need project managers who understand project fundamentals and orchestrate complex cooperation of cross-functional teams. We also need project models that reveal the interplay of project elements. Another project management example is the spread of the Agile approach. Agile is an excellent example because we can apply Agile methods with no advanced IT support system. The essence of Agile is a radical interpretation of the project cycle. Agile takes the traditional project cycle, cuts it into small pieces, glues them back together, enabling rapid delivery of small increments instead of a single large delivery. Agile relies on cross-functional teams of users and developers working in close cooperation. It integrates validation, development, and specification in an intense cycle, delivering an increment. Intense communication and close cooperation are at the core of the Agile approach. While its power is in the model, advanced information systems and the Internet extends its applicability. Advanced information systems combined with the Agile approach revolutionized project management in the last decades. A last example is new product development and product improvement. Product development is a complex process, from ID generation to project selection to product launch and aftermarket care. It requires the cooperation of all functions in the organization. Digital transformation has tremendous potential in such a complex process. Contributors may all work from the same information. They inspire each other for better ideas and discover synergies. They trade crucial resources between competing projects to maximize the value of the portfolio. Share of information and communication is key in realizing the potential of digital transformation. An overarching model providing a framework for the common interpretation of this information, however, is not less important. Development of new business models is a delicate task. The thorough analysis and careful design we need require time, expertise, and a deep understanding of the industry. Fortunately, we are not alone. Professional organizations of our industry are likely to have the model we need already. In fact, leading software houses base the advanced IT solutions they offer on these models. The best strategy to start digital transformation is to study industry models. Before you check the market for IT solutions, visit the website of professional organizations of your industry. Study their standards, best practices, and models. Once you understand the conceptual models of your industry, you know what to look for in IT solutions and which of them meets your needs best. On the surface, we may perceive digital transformation as implementing new information systems. For real transformation, we need to go further by changing the way we work. Share of information, close cooperation, and the shift from following instructions to a culture of contribution are key to success. This new approach also needs new business models. Access to the same information is a necessary but not sufficient condition of successful digital transformation. We also need models to serve as frameworks for common interpretation.